What up guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can hatch your snail eggs. As you can see in this video, I have a lot of eggs in the pen. So all I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to carefully pick them up so that I can start the hatching process. All you need in order to pick up your eggs, you need a rubber spoon and maybe a plastic plate where you can put in the egg. You know that when you are picking up these snail eggs, you don't need to use your hand, because if your hand comes in contact with the eggs it won't hatch. So all you need now is a plastic spoon or a plastic plate that we use to pick them up, so that the process will be effective. And while picking up these eggs, you have to ensure that you apply caution so that you won't end up damaging the eggs, especially for those that are still using the tire system. You know, the tire inside the tire is a kind of rock. You have to be careful. Right now I've picked up some of them. As you can see on the screen, methods that farmers use in incubating their eggs, which include a wooden hatching tray, styrofoam box incubator, plastic baskets, or you can even use a plastic container with moist soil. So these are what some of the farmers use in hatching their snail. But in this video I'm going to be making use of a carton with moist soil inside of it, as you can see in the video. All I'm going to do right now is to carefully open a little space there, then bury some of them inside of it, then allow it for some time. As you can see exactly what I'm doing. So it doesn't matter the method you're using, all that matters right now is to make sure that the soil you are using is a loamy soil, and that it shouldn't be waterlogged, and at the same time it shouldn't be dry. It should just be moist, because that moisture content of the soil is what will help the egg to actually hatch. In burying the eggs, you don't have to use so much soil. You just need a soil of about few inches in thickness, you get, so that it will help the eggs after hatching, so that the snails will be able to pull out from the ground. Because if you put too much soil, it's so difficult for the snails to come out when they have hatched, and they might end up dying inside the soil. After some few days, of about 13 days or more, I found out that some of the eggs have started hatching. As you can see, these are some of the baby snails that have pulled out from the ground. You can see them. These are baby snails. And to talk more about this is actually the Fulica species that we are using for this program. As you can see shown here, these are Fulica baby snails. So what's the next thing I'm going to do now? I'm going to pick up the baby snails and transform them into another plastic bucket that I will be using to fatten them. So when they become big, that is when I will now be able to transfer them into the pen. But right now I'm going to transfer them into the plastic bowl or bucket that I will use to fatten them. So looking at the video, you are going to see the baby snails. They are very healthy, and you can see them, they are just moving around, looking very strong and healthy. So this is the outcome of, so these are the ones that have already hatched. I still have some that are yet to hatch, but as time goes on, those ones too, they will still come out well like these ones. So right now I'm going to transfer these snails into the bucket that I'll be using for be fattening. As you can see on the screen, I have a little soil on it, then I sprinkled a little grounded eggshell on them so that they can be feeding on them as they equally feed on the soil, to help them to it will help to provide enough calcium for them to make their shell strong and for them to grow stronger. But despite the fact that I've already sprinkled the eggshell, as you can see on the screen, doesn't mean that it's only what they are going to feed on. I'm going to be giving them other feeds like leaf, pawpaw leaf. We have the water leaf. We only have other fruits like pawpaw, watermelon, and sometimes I can even give them pineapple. Yeah, but these little ones now, I'm not going to give them pineapple because I don't know how they are going to react to it. But I'll still feed them with other leaves that are available, especially the ones I know that they enjoy eating, something like the pawpaw leaf and the water leaf and any other thing. So guys, I haven't transferred the baby snails into these buckets. I'm going to sprinkle a little water on them just to keep them active. I don't want them to hibernate. So I'm going to be sprinkling them water. You know, they are cold-blooded animals, so they like water. So that's the reason why I sprinkle them water. So thank you for this video. See you in the next video.